friends, welcome back to Amma's Nalapaka. Today we are making rich, aromatic and absolutely irresistible mutton biryani. If you love biryani, stay tuned. This recipe is going to become your new favorite. So, 350 grams of bullet rice and jeera rice in water for 1 hour. First wash 800 grams of mutton in water. Take a cooker, heat 2 teaspoons oil and add 1 small chopped onion. Fry until it turns golden brown. Then roast in the clean mutton with 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon salt, mix well and cook on high heat for few minutes until the meat starts releasing its juice. Now pour 1 glass of water, close the lid and cook for 10 to 15 minutes until the mutton turns tender. Until then, let's prepare biryani masala. Heat 2 teaspoon ghee in a small pan. Add 2 cinnamon stick, 15 clove, 15 Marathi mogu, 1 green cardamom, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds and fry them well. Once the spices are fried, transfer it to the mixer jar. In the same pan, add 15 green chilies, fistful of garlic clove, 2 inch ginger. Fry them well and transfer it to the same mixer jar. Also add some mint leaves and coriander leaves to it. Pour little water and grind it to a smooth paste. Let's prepare the rice. Now get ready with 4 to 5 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds and cumin seeds, 1 cinnamon stick, 2 Marathi mogu and 4 clove in a plate. Heat 3 spoons of ghee and half cup of oil in a pan. Add all the spices mentioned before and fry them well. Now add 2 sliced onions, fry until it turns golden brown. Now add 1 chopped tomato, some coriander leaves and mint leaves. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Now add the grinded paste to it and mix well. Now add the cooked mutton to it. Now add 1 teaspoon rock salt to it, mix well, cook for 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame. Pour 5 glasses of water to it. Drain the rice for a few minutes. To the boiling mixture, add 1 teaspoon lime juice. Now add the drained rice to it, mix it well, close the lid, cook on low heat or dum for 20 to 25 minutes. This slow cooking allows the rice to absorb all the juicy flavors of mutton. And there it is, hot, fragrant, beautifully layered mutton biryani. Every grain of rice is separate. The meat is tender and the aroma is simply heavenly. Serve with raita, boiled eggs or salad and enjoy the royal feast. If you loved this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Amma's Nalapaka. Thank you for watching.